Residence Visa in Spain. Part 13. Arraigo Visa. For individuals who cannot find a suitable path with the aforementioned options, there are alternatives, especially for those who have overstayed their allowed 90 days on a tourist visa and wish to legalize their situation after residing in Spain for a minimum period. Currently, there are 4 distinct types of arraigos, each with specific requirements. Social Arraigo. If you have been residing in Spain illegally for a consecutive period of 3 years and can either present a valid employment contract or demonstrate sufficient economic means, you are eligible to apply for Social Arraigo. The employment offer should meet Spain's minimum wage requirements and entail a minimum of 30 hours per week, with no specified minimum contract duration. Additionally, obtaining a favorable integration report is necessary. This involves an interview with the local town council, showcasing your connection with Spain through an understanding of its culture and language, and providing information about your background. If you have relatives in Spain, obtaining this report may not be necessary. Furthermore, you must demonstrate proficiency in Spanish and, possibly, the language of the autonomous community where you are applying, such as Catalan in Catalonia. Family Arraigo. If you can establish a direct family link, such as parents to a child, a spouse, children, legal guardians, or even caretakers of a Spanish citizen with a disability, you can apply for residency through Family Arraigo. This category does not consider the duration of your stay in Spain or your financial means. Residency via Family Arraigo is granted for a period of 5 years and does not necessitate any specific minimum time spent in the country before applying. Labor Arraigo. If you find yourself in an irregular situation but have been residing in Spain for 2 consecutive years, and have been engaged in legal employment working for a company or as a freelancer, you may qualify for Labor Arraigo. Working for a company, you must have worked for a minimum of 30 hours a week for 6 consecutive months or 15 hours a week for 1 year. For freelancers, the individual should have been economically active for at least 6 months within the 2-year period in Spain. Educational Arraigo. If you've been residing in Spain illegally for a minimum of 2 years and aspire to undertake specific studies or qualification training for employment, Educational Arraigo is designed for you. The chosen course must be listed in the National Catalogue of Professional Qualifications in the field of labor administration. It's important to note that the course must be conducted entirely in person and not on a part-time basis. You can pursue studies for 12 months, extendable up to a total of 18 months, but are not permitted to work during this educational period. However, upon completion of your studies, you'll be eligible to transition to a work permit visa.